Come in. Hey man, why you visit me? Just get a visit at this time
Yes.
during the night, or what's up, man?
No, manager. I just want to let you know that tomorrow I won't be able to come to work because milenze yam.
Yeah, what's up? Tell me, man. Be free. Tell me.
Yes. I won't be able to come because my lungs. You see, my lungs not function.
Your lungs are bleeding.
No. My lungs. Not lungs. My lions.
Your lions. Did you went to the zoo?
No. You see, my foods. Yeah, my foods are not working.
So you can't be able to walk. So you can't go anywhere.
No, I'm going to sleep now. I'm going to sleep, yeah. But tomorrow, no, I won't be come tomorrow because.
So you don't feel well.
Yeah, I'm not feel well known. Yeah. So tomorrow I'm not coming.
So meaning that you want me to give you, you want to get off. You don't want to go to work.
Tomorrow.
You want to go and leave tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow, yes.
Well, if you say so, no, it's fine. Because I know you take care of yourself, every time.
Yes, me.
Yeah. No problem.
Oh, manager.
I'll give you an off tomorrow. Don't worry.
That's why I call you kwerekwere.
No, it's fine.
Sure. Oh, kwerekwere.
No problem.